Hi, today I'm making a combination fried rice that is really tasty. So I'm taking about a cup and a half of white rice as well as two bouillon cubes. And I'm going to prepare the rice basically by adding 3 cups of water and a pinch of salt and the bouillon cubes. While that's cooking, I've cut up about a half a cup of green onion, a quarter cup of bell pepper, a half a cup of white onion, and a quarter cup of diced carrots, as well as a whole garlic clove. Next, I'm using 3 types of protein, about a half a cup of chicken, 2 pork chops, and a half a cup to a cup of shrimp. Okay, and those are going to be my protein sources for the combination rice. I'm seasoning my protein with Lorry's seasoned salt, uh, black pepper, and you've seen that I've chopped up the garlic already, so I'm going to just saute that in about 3 tablespoons of oil until it's all brown. I start with the chicken first, and then I'm adding in the pork to cook next. You want to make sure it's really cooked well. Once the chicken and the pork and the garlic is all done, I set that aside, and in a separate pan, I actually saute my vegetables. So I'm starting with my carrots and then adding my bell pepper. Next, I'm cooking my 2 types of onions in the vegetable mix and getting my shrimp ready as well to prepare to add to the other proteins by using a little nature seasoning salt, just a little on that. And then I'm combining all the vegetables back to the protein as well as adding the raw shrimp. You definitely want to get the raw shrimp so it won't overcook. I'm adding the 1 egg, and then I'm going to just combine all of those ingredients. Right, you can see that the shrimp here is just starting to cook. The reason why I put them in at the end this way is so that they won't become chewy, and they'll be good when you add the rice. So we've adding the cooked rice to the vegetable and protein mix, and just sauteing that. We don't need to add any additional oil because you have all of the drippings from the chicken and the pork and the vegetables. So you're just going to combine that until it's well mixed. I've added a couple of dashes of soy sauce as well as a little heat. If you want a little chili pepper, you can do that. But then it's ready to serve. And so this combination rice is a very simple fried rice. It's perfect for summer and one of my favorites to make. Enjoy.